again, and hope you've been enjoying so far all the recipes I've been doing for you. Today we're going to be making a rundown curry. So this is one of the recipes I do in my restaurant, and it works very well. It's a vegan recipe. So I've got some potatoes, I've got some cauliflower, some tomatoes, some onions, I've got some red onions, some white onions, some courgette. We're going to probably use half of this or a quarter, depending on the size of how many people you want to feed. We're going to use 3 tins of coconut milk. Unfortunately, due to the coronavirus, it's very scarce of what we can get, so I've had to get a different one that I'm not used to using, but I'm sure it pretty much work the same. So we're just going to use 3 tins of the coconut milk. We're going to use some curry powder, depending if you like it hot or not. This is a medium spice. If you don't like hot, I would suggest you use a mild curry powder. Try to use a good quality one because it does make a difference. Over here we have some salt and pepper. So 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. I have over here some coriander seeds and some cumin seeds and some vegetable oil to cook everything. We're not going to begin with the fun stage. We're going to start to peel down our vegetables, get them nice and clean, give them a little wash. We'll peel down the carrots, then the potatoes, start peeling the onions down, cutting the white onions into larger cubes. The red onions you can also cut a little bit smaller so they start to dissolve in the curry. Crush the garlic. We're just going to take the heads off the cauliflower, cube the potatoes, cut the carrots into nice little chunks. Depends down to you, could do it smaller. We're just going to put the oil in, make sure the pan is searing hot, add the onions, give it a nice mix. Now add our coriander and cumin seeds, let it cook out a little bit, add a salt, pepper, give it a little twist. We're going to add the curry powder, chopped tomatoes, then we're going to start to add our coconut milk slowly. So 3 tins of coconut milk, give it a little twist, add our carrots, potatoes, let it cook down to half boil. We're going to add some more water and then the rest of our vegetables and let it cook down. Very simple dish, very easy to do. We're just going to leave it to simmer now about 10-15 minutes and plate the rest of the dish up. You don't need to plate the dish like I did, you can put it straight onto the plate. I made a red onion salad with a bit of olive oil, tomatoes and coriander, which helps it, gives a nice sharpness to the dish, and that's the dish completed. Thank you very much. Hey, I hope you've liked this vegan recipes this far. If you like what you see, please don't forget to like, share and follow. You can follow me on Instagram at chef.lopez, on Facebook Chef Lopez, and also YouTube it's Chef Lopez. Thank you very much and see you soon.